This is step one. We're gonna go ahead and jump into step two. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Cool. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Now in step one, we went over a few things to consider before you launch your photo booth business. That was step one, is to formulate a business plan. But this is step two, and today in step two, we're gonna be covering different bullet points. The first bullet point, when I look to the left, is I just need a reminder, okay? So think about this. Now let's set a budget. Now, are you guys gonna be paying credit card or are you guys gonna be paying cash for your 360 booths? I don't know, but if you guys decide to pay cash, make sure you guys are buying from someone that offers warranty, and also make sure it's quality product. Now, another question you guys might ask yourselves is, how much does it really take to get a photo booth business started? What is the lowest budget I can get started with? Well, I'm here to answer that. You can get started with as little as $1,500 if you are buying your equipment directly from the actual manufacturer. Not a retailer, but the manufacturer. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So if you guys had a budget of only $1,500, then yes, you can get started. And this includes the entire booth, whether it's a 360 booth or a digital photo booth. So that's another question you guys are gonna wanna ask yourselves is, what booth do you wanna get started with first? I recommend the 360 booth just because it is definitely still trending and it's a hot item to have as a photo booth business, okay? So that's step number two.